What's up, man? What it do? It is Jesse Capital here, man. I'm back with another video. You see I'm dancing over here. You know, I got on the little gold ring or whatever, just some light shit, man. I love rose gold. That's my shit. So any type of watch I'm gonna get, any type of anything I'm gonna cop, it's gotta have some rose gold in it. I ain't like, I'm just saying, like, I love the iced out. I love the iced out shit where it's just one plain color, but I love it at rose gold. I always been fascinated by it. That rose gold be hitting y'all. But anyway, back to the thing, man. We call this shit Top 5 with JF5. And the reason why I'm fucking around making this video, because a lot of y'all got questions and shit. And a lot of y'all don't really, you know what I'm saying, like, be really willing to get your question answered. Because if I got a question and you got the sauce, nigga, I'm finna tap in. So anyway, this Top 5 with JF5. And I'm making this to help y'all out. These are the top 5 questions that I thought that was good at this time. Again, it's gonna be many more. I'm gonna have to start doing these hoes a lot, cause I got a lot of stuff now. Y'all won't get the shit that's on my OnlyFans. Y'all gotta pay for that shit. Come on, you gotta pay the fee to lay with me. Hashtag prime time. You gotta pay the fee to sauce with me. You heard me? Hey, but look, top 5 with JF5, man. Shout out to Prime, he doing his thing over there. But top 5 with JF5. First question is, how do I build capital right now? Now I know a lot of y'all had capital, y'all fucked it off, y'all don't have capital, y'all don't know how to get it. I'm answering, like, this answer be for all that shit. So if you don't have capital right now, what you need to be doing is, man, you need to be doing some type of shit online. Like, I really say, I mean, it just really depends on what type of person you is. Like, I'm a go-get-it person. So, like, so far, and I got some fire shit coming for y'all, bro. Fire. But, like, I'm a real go-get-it hustle type of person. So, you know what I mean? I can, like, I've been doing this online shit for, like, 3.5, almost 4 years. I've been doing this online shit since 2017. So, by 3 years, I've been doing this online shit. Like, I ain't been working no job or nothing, nigga. I'm telling you. Like, this, I'm finna give y'all everything y'all need to know right here. So, e-commerce, you know, in other terms, drop shipping. Penny stocks is good right now. That shit hot. You know, I told y'all to get in the SNDL, man. That shit had a 300-400% return, maybe even more than that. You know, I think I lowballed it there with 300%, but, you know, now it ain't talking about shit. But, you know, or offer a service. So let's hop back over, because I want to break everything down. You know, a little by little. Again, man, we gonna break it down. So, top 5 with JF5. I don't know why I said that shit. That shit just hard. Anyway, if you doing drop shipping and you confused right now, y'all motherfuckers be slipping up thinking y'all gotta do everything yourself. Like, bro, you know, you ain't gotta be the GOAT all the time. Hire a motherfucker, pay them $100, $200, get the store done so your shit can be up and running. I'm telling y'all be procrastinating. A lot of y'all niggas see like I know code, but I'm still learning the shit at the same time. I ain't no fucking expert at it. But I'm telling y'all, a lot of y'all see that code shit and y'all be like, there. Y'all fuck around, log out, go get on some Netflix or Hulu or shit. And y'all really fucking up y'all opportunity, because there's so many products out here that y'all could be selling and shit. And y'all just be letting motherfuckers collect y'all checks, as I call it. Y'all letting other niggas get y'all opportunities. But if you fuck around and you find you a hot product, you get a nigga to build your store and shit, your ass can be eating. Especially on holidays, nigga. That's when we eat. You feel me? Hold on. Anyway, penny stocks. So shit. Penny stocks is good, but if you ain't got the money to lose and you trying to build capital, again, y'all, everything I talk about, you gotta have a little something. You gotta have like 50. You gotta have 100. You just can't come in this shit with no money. Unless you go on my OnlyFans, so you'll figure out how to actually do that shit with no money. But look, in this one, you're going to need some money. At least $50 to $100, $200, $300. And whatever you got, you're going to need to put it in. Especially with penny stocks if you're trying to eat. But you don't need that much. I just seen niggas put 40 in penny stocks, especially SDL, and come up off of $100, $200 checks. Especially when it multiplied, like, I mean, when it went up the way it did. But or if you scared to do stocks, I know for a long time I was real nervous to hop in stocks, man. I done lost too much fucking with that shit, and I done been with the best of folks. But you know, It go up. I ain't gonna say won, 'cause it's not gambling, but I'm gonna say I done made more than I lost. But that shit, like, you gotta know what you're doing, dog. I'm telling you, especially if you in penny stocks and your ass is greedy, your ass gonna be broke. Straight broke, nigga, and you don't know how to take care of your risk and loss, and you don't know how to buy the dips, you don't know none of that shit, your ass gonna be fucked. So if you one of them niggas where you just trying to get a quick check, I'll probably slash penny stocks out. Penny stocks probably hurt you too quick. But services, as far as services, look, I just saying niggas eat. Barbershops ate during the barbershops they eat at the beginning of the pandemic, but look right now, everybody in barbershop, everybody trying to look fly, everybody trying to be the man. Them niggas eat. All they doing is cutting the same nigga hair twice a week, and they eat. And I know some barbers that's charging like 50, 60, 75. I'm telling, and people paying that shit. People really paying that shit, and you gon' pay the shit if you in a okay area with not too many barbers, and you trying to be the man 24/7. Your ass gonna continue to pay that 50 to 75. But them niggas eating. Man, look in the barber, and if you out there, you know how to cut hair and shit, and people been telling you, bro, you should open a shop. You should open a shop. Even if you don't want to open a shop, just go on fucking Booksy. Tell them you cutting the shit from the house. Ain't nobody gonna be in there but y'all too. You know, keep your tool on you, whatever. Keep it strictly business, and that's how you can be eating. If you ain't got a house, cut their hair outside. Y'all motherfuckers be letting too much money go by. I can't sleep. I got about 15 opportunities I'm taking all at once right now. These niggas eating. And look, if you really trying to build some capital, you really trying to learn some shit, take your ass to TikTok right now. They ass is giving out all the sauce, everything. I'm learning shit I ain't know. I'm like, woo, shit. And they giving it for free. Now motherfuckers starting to put taxes and shit on it, but I was like, oh my God, boy, we finna eat for sure this year. They just slanging shit. I'm talking about all type of sauce. They just throwing shit. I'm like, woo, man. I follow, man, but see, I don't follow a lot of folks on TikTok. Y'all don't follow me on TikTok, Jesse Capital. I don't follow a lot of folks on there. No, I ain't dumb to get a plus away, but y'all probably done seen them and probably just skipped over that shit. Anyway, barbering, fucking, just anything, cleaning, just anything quick where motherfuckers pay you with cash, man. That's what, cutting grass, probably not right now if you in Houston, cause motherfuckers, man, looking for. But oh shit, that's smart too. Look, see, I be thinking of shit out of nowhere. Look, if you trying to go get you some money, you could sell, snow removal products for niggas in Houston or niggas that's around the area that's been impacted. You could sell snow removal products like the little scrapers, the heaters, and whatever, and then you can actually start selling shit like. A product that I think is big, I get out of sauce, is them energy, it's them power banks. Them real power banks, nigga, you can make a fortune right now off them bitches, cause that's what niggas looking for. All our energy is supplied to us, like we never collect our own energy. That solar industry, all that shit, bro, I'm telling you, cannabis, solar, all that shit you can make money from. And even if you don't, like even if you ain't old enough to really get, I ain't promoting cannabis, but I mean like cannabis using products, like fucking chargers, pens, shit that motherfuckers use. If you ain't old enough or you ain't in the right city or state legally, if you get what I mean, then you can go ahead and just start doing that shit. You don't even need a shop, just drop ship the fuck out of this shit. Motherfuckers ain't paying attention no more. Everybody's still caught up on this Bitcoin shit. So look, next question. I've been on this question for 8 minutes. God damn. Alright, so the next question is, how do I get good credit in a month or two? Nigga, that's easy. Shit. You might get good credit faster than that. First thing that you want to do is download Self right now. Self-Lender. They are the best people to get started with. Man, they gonna take care of you, and they secure it, and no, I'm not paid. If I was getting paid to say this shit, this real sauce. So if I was getting paid to say this shit, I would be fucking going all out, because Self gonna bring me that bag. But anyway, go to Self, and it's other. Look. What I would do is this. Now your credit gonna get hurt the second that you start doing this shit. But hey, think about the long run. What I would do, and again, this the sauce, and man, this is what I tell all my clients on my credit side of things. Cause I'm in so many businesses, man. Niggas think I'm the fucking money man, goddamn business man. But look, the first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to download Self-Lender and get other apps that's just like that, so you can go ahead and start all at once. And again, y'all gonna need some money to do this shit. You know damn well you can't hop in no credit without no money. Your ass is gonna need something. So, and them lines, man, them motherfuckers be going for they don't be that much. But if you want something that's gonna really change your score, you gonna have to spend that sack. You gonna have to come out at least about shit. 13, 14, 15, maybe even 25. Shit, it just all depends on who you go with and shop with. I always recommend the credit repair company that I use, but you know, I'll tell y'all that in a future video, you know. Anyway, yeah, download Self, all the rest of them apps. Go ahead and sign up and pay the little startup fee. Man, when that shit hit your credit report, it might hurt it because you to open up so many accounts. But think about the long history of growth. Like I'm sorry, yeah, growth. Like think about that shit. Like you didn't fuck around and like you paying. Like if it's five, you find 5 apps, you fucking pay. You got 5 new accounts that ain't really checking nigga scores and shit, and you opened up 5, nigga. So think about, like, at the beginning you probably gonna be hurt, but think about the amount of credit that your ass finna get. Like that's how you get money in that month. Like you'll start getting credit card offers. I get so many credit card offers, I gotta throw them bitches away and then pick them bitches right back up when I think about draining them. I always got a cash can, I call it a cash can. God damn, man. I done had some good ass 3 cheat too. So if y'all wanna know the shit I be cheaping on, it be 3 cheat hard. Like y'all be on that. Nah, and when I go out of town, nigga, I cheat. I done got all out talking. Look, we'll talk about that shit on another video. But anyway, cause I be going on and on and on. I love to talk and communicate and help people. But so that's how you get good credit, right? You gonna find you somebody that be throwing them lines. You can come to me, come shop with me. Ain't nobody got them cheaper than me. These credit repair folks be taxing, dog. That's why I had to get in this shit. Come to me, shop with me. I can go and get your lines right. We'll go and get all your information, take care of. Got a whole team that do that shit. And I can tell you when that bitch gonna hit. The day of, nigga. I'm telling you. Like I can tell you right now. Like your ass to be like, damn, that motherfucker really hit on the 15th. Anyway, so how do you scale your income? Right, that was the next question. And I appreciate y'all for asking these, because y'all asking questions a lot of people be needing to know and shit. And I don't be really having time. I just had, I'm supposed to be depositing checks and shit. I ain't gonna show y'all this shit, but y'all like, well, I'll show y'all. Gotta cover shit up. You know how niggas is. Man, that's a check I'm supposed to be depositing right now. I fucked around and I had to get this content out of the bank fucking closed on my ass. Anyway, so how do you scale your income? What I suggest you do is, like Steve Harvey said, like if you could turn 10 into 20, nigga, you could turn 10,000 into 20,000. Y'all be overthinking this shit. All you gotta do this shit is 10 more times. Like just multiply your shit. Like just think about it. If you got a business that's open right now, man, let's say I love fucking cannabis. So we'll say you got a cannabis business, right? You selling the little pens, or you just selling anything. It ain't even gotta be cannabis. Man, whatever if you doing $1,000 a month, right? First of all, you need to figure out how you gonna get to $2,000, right? And what you've been doing that's been working and what's not working. I keep tracks on everything because I want to know, what I need to eliminate. I hate shit that be costing me extra money. I hate that shit. And you know, y'all be having subscription, just pull out y'all account. And by the way, look, here goes some more sauce. If you got subscription that just being pulled out your account and you done authorized this shit, go ahead and text Apple. I think you gotta have Apple. I think you can go on their website, but I got Apple support. So when I text them motherfuckers, man, they get the work. Click this shit and we'll go ahead and get you taken care of. Look, but if you got subscription, you like, damn, the motherfuckers that took out my account, and then, my god damn, I have to go get some alcohol. I have to go get some grass. All you gotta do, now it's gonna take a day or two because they gotta review your case, but all you gotta do is go and press that either a kid didn't authorize it, a kid clicked this shit and you didn't purchase it, or some more shit, or like I had been meaning to stop this subscription and shit, bro. They gonna get your money right back. And I be having them fucking $40, $50 subscriptions. I'm talking about these niggas be hitting my ass a month. Because I like to stay plugged in with reading, fucking download Cuba if you trying to read. I like to stay plugged in with reading, and I like to stay plugged in with fucking anything educational, anything that can give me some money, I'm all for it. I don't care what I spend. Sometimes I'll be wanting to let that 50 go, so I gotta call it in. So yeah, and then you ain't even gotta call it in. You can taste the whole process. They'll take care of it. Apple got so much money, nigga, they just giving it, man. Shit, I done did this shit about 50 times. Or if it's an app that I don't feel like paying for, what y'all look, y'all be thinking y'all be too good to do shit, man. Like, are y'all niggas trying to, like, hey, what would you rather pay for? A subscription or nigga, or hey, go get you a fucking nice ass dinner for that night? You know, y'all be tripping, bro. Y'all gotta just start, like, and to get rich, your ass have to save money. Bro, if you don't save money, then your ass is not gonna get rich at all. You have to save, you know. Man, that was my biggest mistake, man. When I first started getting this internet money, and I went from a job that was paying me less than $1,000 a week, you know, they'll say, okay, you making $2,000 a month. But think about it. When you really get your check, man, what you looking at, about 400? $300 and you still want to go out and eat and chill and shit and smoke? Fuck no. So I love their ass, man, and I started getting that internet money, nigga. Like that's what I'm saying. You're not gonna get wealthy if you don't save. You're not gonna be able to take opportunity that is coming to you if you don't save. You gotta have some skin in the game, and your skin is your sack, nigga. If you fuck that up, then ain't nothing I could do for you. But that's how I would scale my income. I would outsource everything a little. Like, again, I'm still learning coding, so it's a lot of guys I gotta hire for coding and to get shit done for me. I got a lot of guys on my team that are just awesome. I'm talking about awesome guys to work with. I'm talking about, like, I could text that motherfucker in the middle of the night, hey, I need this and this added. Motherfucker gonna get it done. And that's the type of people I love to work with. I'm telling you. For any of y'all coders, any of y'all folks out there that know shit, and your shit bring value to me, I'm gonna be posting a lot of shit on my story. So follow me on Jesse Capital. And when I post something, I pay you a sack, bro. You can't tax me now because I know the prices. I be plugged in. But whatever you do, if you're trying to get you some extra money on the side, man, I'll be willing to pay you. You know, I want to support y'all like that because y'all support me. But look, outsource, apply pressure, and marketing your brand. Like 10x take you to the next level. Don't market stupidly. Like, market smart. Get your influence or something. Little secret sauce. I'm thinking of starting a business, but everyone has already started doing it. So, nigga, who give a fuck? I know niggas in the game right now. We running the same business together. Y'all niggas be tripping. So, who give a fuck? You know, and then how I feel about it is, man, you really don't want no money. If you got a business you think about starting, that means you think about not getting a check and you really don't want the money. So you probably don't need to be in business anyway. Stay out of it or send your business to me. I'll start on it. I have a motherfucker working right now. But yeah, you don't have the money. You don't want the money and shit, and you're a procrastinator, man. Gotta stop procrastinating. Gotta get your head in the game. Go out there and get that fucking check. I'm telling you, it's out there. Look, that's top 5 with JFI. Look, I didn't want to go into too many details, but you know, I'm gonna go ahead and review everything for y'all, just in case y'all weren't really listening, y'all tuned out, or y'all was too weak to pay attention. So look, how do I build capital? E-commerce, drop shipping, penny stocks are good right now. Again, high risk. If you not willing to lose the money or invest the money, I would stay out of it. You know, but definitely the e-commerce or your drop shipping and fucking what was the last one? Oh, services like barbershopping. Like cutting niggas' hair and shit. You know, how do you get good credit, trade lines? How do I scale your income? Apply pressure, triple your marketing, or 10x it. I'm thinking of starting a business. Go ahead and get started. Y'all be waiting around for a motherfucker to take y'all opportunity, and then when a motherfucker take it, then y'all be sending it back like, damn, I thought of that shit first. And y'all don't realize that nobody don't even care. Look, this top 5 with JF5. I didn't want to make this video that long. I hope y'all actually learn some shit. I've been running my trap, and I'm ready to go back to work. So look, y'all, I'm finna go ahead and head out. I wish y'all the best. Look, again, follow me at Jesse Capital. This video won't be a did it worth a damn. So look, you have to watch it for how it is. Again, shout out to Trey Pranks. That's where the music coming from. Trey Pranks and Vlogs. He extended it, but he got it from somebody else. That beat fire as fuck. Go follow him, and I'm out.